What's up guys, Lazy Money UK here. Check out this predicament I'm in. I need to redeem a gift card to complete my Swago board and get 50 Swagbucks. But I need those 50 Swagbucks to help me redeem the gift card I want. This is a classic catch-22 situation. This promotion ends tomorrow, so I need to act quickly. What you can do in this situation is pretend to cash out a lower value gift card that you can afford. Confirm your address, but make sure you stop before you verify the order. Now go on your order status page, click where it says not verified and cancel your order. Now the Swago board is filled in and we can claim the 50 Swagbucks bonus. As you can see, the gift card was refunded and the bonus has been credited. While you're here, I might as well show you one more trick to make extra Swagbucks. If you need to check off Daily Discover to get your to-do list bonuses, simply head on over to Hideout TV and redeem your points to Swagbucks. Now Daily Discover is checked off and the bonus payments for completing the to-do list have been credited. If you're new to Swagbucks, you can claim a $3 bonus when you sign up using my link and earn your first 300 points. Thanks for supporting Lazy Money UK by watching and liking the video. Remember to subscribe for more money making tips. See you next time.